The most insecure humans are the loudest ones. जो लोग हीन भावना से ग्रस्त होते हैं ना, इनसिक्योरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स जिनके अंदर होता है, यू कैन ऑब्जर्व दिस दैट दे ट्राई टू फेक इट विद सुपीरियरिटी because they already know that they cannot perform up to the mark. That is the reason they try to show others down. They try to satiate their insatiable ego. एक ऐसा ईगो, एक घमंड उनके अंदर होता है, एक विवेचना जो वो करते हैं जिसमें वो they are living in their own dream world. They think that they are the most perfect humans. They know everything, but deep inside such people are very insecure. और ऐसे लोग लाउड बहुत होते हैं, आप देखेंगे वो हमेशा आपको नीचा दिखाने की कोशिश करेंगे क्योंकि उनका ईगो इसी चीज से बूस्ट होता है, उनका एग्जिस्टेंस इसी चीज पर निर्भर करता है कि दूसरे मुझसे नीचे रहे. Such people can never contribute to collaborative growth. Now you have to understand one thing. Growth is always a collaborative concept. If I think only I'm going to grow, I do not care if my team, my people, my family, my surrounding, my acquaintances, the people I love and the people who love me, I don't give a damn to them if they grow or not. Only I'm going to grow. That is not possible. Your growth is dependent on each and every aspect surrounding you. That has an impact on you. Because you as a human, you're just a body? No. You are an energy, a vibration. And whatever feelings you give out to the world, your emotions are energy in motion. वो किसी और को शाइन करते हुए देखते हैं. If they observe someone else shining, someone else doing better, more confident, more good looking, more amazing, they always do one thing. They start criticizing. वो दूसरे इंसान को नीचा दिखाएंगे, उसकी बुराई करेंगे, उसकी बैक बिचिंग करेंगे. ऐसे लोगों पर हमें तरस खाना चाहिए. What I feel is that we always should pity such people. Do not react to them. Do not react to them. Always understand one thing. They are not mentally that much grown. They are underdeveloped humans when it comes to their psychological conditioning. ऐसे लोग हमेशा perform कर रहे होते हैं. They think that everything is a performance because they can never be realistic. वो अपनी reality को कभी accept नहीं कर सकते. वो खुद को स्वीकृति नहीं दे पाते, एक validation नहीं दे पाते, इसलिए वो बाहर से validation सीख करते हैं. People who seek external validation, people who cannot love themselves, can never be loved by anybody. If you're not happy alone, you cannot be happy with anybody else. Because when you are with people, when you feel that you're loved, that is a time when you're trying to fill that hollowness, that shallow personality that you have. वो खालीपन को भरने की कोशिश आप कर रहे हैं. पर जिस दिन आप अकेले रहना सीख जाते हैं, that is the time you have conquered everything. आप देखेंगे जो इनसिक्योर लोग होते हैं वो हद से ज्यादा शोर मचाते हैं. वो हमेशा ये देखते हैं कि इन अ कांस्टेंट स्टेट ऑफ कंपटीशन कि ये मुझसे आगे ना निकल जाए, ये मुझसे बेटर ना कर ले, और वो अगर ग्रो कर रहा है तो इसका मतलब मैं नीचे जा रहा हूं. वो दूसरों की ग्रोथ को अपनी डाउनफॉल समझते हैं. ऐसे लोग कभी भी कोलैबोरेटिव ग्रोथ में कंट्रीब्यूट नहीं कर सकते. ना ये अपना ग्रोथ होने देते हैं, ना किसी और का ग्रोथ होने देते हैं. सच पीपल आर लीचेस wherever they stay in life. Don't mind my language. Such people are leeches. तो ऐसे लोगों पर हमें कभी गुस्सा नहीं करना चाहिए, रिएक्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. इन पर बस तरस खाओ. Because if you're reacting, you're giving that positive energy out of you which they will consume. They always say that the more you curse the devil, the strongest it becomes. So whenever someone is misbehaving with you, do not fight back. Do not abuse them. मैं ये भी नहीं कह रहा कि भगवान बैठे हुए हैं who's going to give them the punishment of their bad deeds. No, let it be. हर चीज का टाइम होता है, हर चीज का तरीका होता है. I'm not saying that you have to take revenge. Some people say that revenge is the best dish when served cold. Do not do. People will speak good about you. People will speak bad about you. Your work is not to change their perception about you. Your work is to do your work. आप अपना काम करिए. Because everybody in this entire world has opinions about you, has opinions about your life except you. आपको छोड़ के आपके बारे में हर इंसान कुछ ना कुछ बकता ही रहेगा. तो आप उनको बदलने की कोशिश मत करिए. उनको बदलना आपका काम नहीं है. वो खुद अपने आप को बदलेंगे. जरूरत पड़ने पर हर इंसान बदलता है, और ये जिंदगी ऐसी है कि हर इंसान को एक ना एक दिन लेसन जरूर सिखाती है. The most roughest of the stones are turned into smooth just by the flow of the water. नदी का कोई भी पत्थर हार्श नहीं रह पाता, रफ नहीं रह पाता, सॉफ्ट हो जाता है, राउंड हो जाता है, स्मूथ हो जाता है. उसके पीछे यही रीजन है. Life is not something very tough. It is a very easy thing. It's like a playful act. I'm not even saying that you have to be too much casual about it. Not at all. You just have to understand one thing. Live and let others live. तो इनसिक्योर लोग जो आपको नीचा दिखाते हैं, आपके साथ बदतमीजी करते हैं, do not react. That's my suggestion because that's how I handle people. It might work for you, it might not work for you. So for people for whom it might work, my words are for them. If you have your own way of dealing, go for it. At the end, what matters is that mental peace. If I am at mental peace, I do not care what chaos somebody else is creating about me. I'm not going to care about.